When God tells you a thing you can do, you most likely had a demon. Because God would tell you something that version of you cannot do it. Not in the strength of the flesh. He will always tell you what will make you need him to get the job done. You need an encounter with God. I'm speaking to someone here because after this conference, you should go and buy books. For some of you, after this conference, your retreat starts. 3 days with God, crying and say, Lord, don't send me if you are not going to reveal yourself to me. Who shall I tell Pharaoh has sent me? You are sending me to be a financial apostle, a kingdom entrepreneur. Lord, I don't want to. This is not about money. It's not about buying and selling. Wealth is warfare. The Bible says strong men retain wealth. Wise men get wealth, but strong men retain wealth. It takes beyond creativity to retain wealth. Intelligence, value that is served intelligently can bring you wealth, but it takes strength and capacity. When you prosper and remain prosperous, it's not a product of intelligence again. There is strength.